Hello everyone, Gis here. Welcome to this second video in a series on painting the tabletop world Cottage. In this episode, I'll walk you through the simple steps to painting the slate roof. In the previous painting session, I painted the wooden elements. You can find this video in my Painting the Tabletop World Cottage playlist. As you may know, slate can have different colors. After doing some research, I decided to paint the slate in a dark charcoal gray color. I will also add textures to make it look even more realistic. I'll start by painting the underside of the roof. The slates are harder to reach on this side, so I'll take my time not to touch the wood that's already painted. For the base coat, I apply an opaque coat of charcoal gray. Here I'm using Vallejo German gray. Next, I texture the slate under the roof with Vallejo green gray and some neutral gray. For now, I'll dry brush the upper part with gray-green only. I'll now stain some slate on the upper side of the roof with neutral gray. This will help create a more realistic appearance. I dilute the paint with water so that it's not too opaque and only tint the surface of the stone. Then I randomly stain some of the slates with dark green and letter brown. After, I apply a neutral gray dry brushing, starting very lightly, then adjusting the pressure on the brush to achieve an even application on all the slates. I stain the paler tile with brown and khaki green. I then apply the final dark sea gray highlight at the edge of each slate. For the final touch, I use a piece of sponge to paint lichen in contrasting colors. I pat some tiles with light green, yellow-orange and pale gray. Of course, I'm gonna glue synthetic grass on the roof when it's varnished, but that's for later. This concludes the second session on this rustic cottage. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, remember to subscribe to the channel. In the next video, I'll be painting the plaster and aging it with shades and stains. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on painting and take care.